Superior Court of California, County of Orange, Electronic Evidence Portal. Hello, today we are going to go over how to prepare for your hearing.
After you have finished uploading your exhibits to the Electronic Evidence Portal, printing out your exhibit receipt and exhibit list, and sharing the exhibits with the opposing parties is necessary, the next step is to prepare for your hearing date. On your hearing date, bring your account username and password in case you need to access the portal in the courtroom. Utilize the exhibit list and exhibit receipt to reference the assigned exhibit number for your evidence during the hearing. The court will determine who will share exhibits in the courtroom. Once the court determines who will share exhibits in the courtroom, please follow the applicable steps. Now let's review how to present the exhibits for in-person hearings in the courtroom. Displaying and presenting exhibits when a party is instructed to display. Court-provided laptops are stationed on the table located in front of the judicial officer, known as the counsel table. The laptops will allow counsel and parties to connect to the electronic evidence portal. Counsel and parties may also use their own laptops by connecting them to the HDMI cables provided at the counsel table, allowing them to log into and access the electronic evidence portal. The court-provided laptops should also be connected to the evidence presentation equipment. Contact the courtroom personnel for assistance if the laptop is not functioning. The evidence presentation equipment to present your exhibits from the laptop will be located in the middle of the table. A projector or media PC will be utilized to view exhibits, controlled by courtroom staff and viewable for those present in the courtroom. For hybrid and remote hearings, anyone appearing remotely for the hearing can view the exhibits displayed via Zoom. To display an exhibit, locate the presentation equipment and press the counsel button with the arrow pointing towards whomever is intending to display the exhibit. For example, if you are sitting to the right of the evidence presentation equipment, push the button that says counsel with the arrow pointing to the right. If the evidence you are going to present includes audio, the audio levels can be adjusted using the volume nozzle. Rotate the volume nozzle to the right to make it louder, or to the left to lower the volume. Clicking the counsel button to display your exhibit will display whatever is currently displayed on the laptop screen. Ensure the items on the screen are ready to be displayed in the courtroom before you click the counsel button. To stop displaying the laptop screen at any point, click the counsel button again. Contact the courtroom personnel immediately if exhibits do not display after clicking counsel button, or if there are any issues with the volume. For parties appearing remotely for their hearing, contact the courtroom personnel for instructions. Proceed with the following steps when you are ready to display exhibits. Ensure the laptop or device used to access the portal is connected to the evidence presentation equipment. If the laptop appears to be malfunctioning, or off, contact the courtroom personnel immediately. Using the laptop provided in the courtroom or using your own personal laptop, log into the electronic evidence portal prior to the start of your hearing. Please be aware, after 20 minutes of inactivity, users will be automatically logged out of the portal. Prior to this, users will receive a pop-up indicating the session will be expiring soon. To extend the session, please select Extend Session. In the electronic evidence portal, select the appropriate case in court hearings. Select the View option from the appropriate case to display exhibits in the gallery view. Once in the gallery view, you may select the List View icon from the toolbar. To display a specific exhibit, click on the Expand icon for the exhibit you wish to display. A pop-up of the exhibit will appear. Click Enter Full Screen at the top right of the pop-up window to create a better view of the exhibit. Once in full screen, you will also have the option to rotate the exhibit. Depending on the size of the exhibit, the icon to rotate the image may appear differently. You can also go to the next exhibit by clicking on the right arrow on the right edge of the screen, or to the previous exhibit by clicking on the left arrow on the left edge of the screen. To exit the full screen view, select the X located at the top right of the screen. Prior to displaying an exhibit via the evidence presentation equipment, request permission from the court for each exhibit you wish to display. When your hearing is completed, don't forget to log out of the portal by selecting the Logout button in the left margin or upper right-hand corner of the screen. Now let's go over displaying and presenting exhibits when the court displays on a party's behalf. Based on judicial preference, the judge or commissioner may choose to display the exhibits themselves or designate a member of the courtroom staff to display the exhibits. The judge, commissioner, or designated courtroom staff will log into the electronic evidence portal using their credentials. The judge, commissioner, or courtroom staff will then locate the case and display the party's exhibits. Navigating to the gallery will allow parties to be able to follow along during the hearing and assist in directing the court to which exhibits the court will display on the party's behalf. Utilize the exhibit list and exhibit receipt, and descriptions of exhibits, as necessary, to provide the court with information regarding which exhibit shall be displayed. The judge or commissioner or designated courtroom staff will log out of the electronic evidence portal once the displaying of exhibits has concluded. When a small claims case has been completed, the portal will send an email to the uploader, notifying them that they have 60 days from the date of the notice to download their exhibits. Uploader can immediately log into their account to start downloading all the uploaded exhibits. When downloading exhibits, parties should ensure the exhibit ribbon is affixed. Upon completion of any civil, family law or probate hearing, if parties stipulate to the return of the exhibits or the court makes an order to return them to the submitting party, the uploader will receive an email notifying them that they have 30 days to download their exhibits from their accounts. When downloading exhibits, parties should ensure the exhibit ribbon is affixed. If the court does not make an order or the parties do not stipulate to the return of exhibits at the conclusion of the hearing, all marked and admitted exhibits will be transferred to Records and Exhibit Management for further retention pursuant to Code of Civil Procedure Section 1952.
If you have any further questions, refer to your assigned courtroom's individual policies and procedures posted on the Electronic Evidence tab of the court's public website. Thank you for watching.